Senator Adams Oshiomhole on Friday don't talk say he no want talk anything about the PDP petition wey dem dey hear for the EDO Governorship Election Petition Tribunal wey sit down for Abuja. Oshiomhole wey dey represent Edo non-senatorial district for in response to tori pipo no gree talk anything about wetin im see for the tribunal. Im talk say im just come look, observe as the sitting dey go and im dey satisfied say the hearing dey go well. The hearing of the petition wey PDP and their candidate Aso Ighodalo carry go tribunal continue on Friday, January 31, as dem present more witnesses wey talk say overvoting happen for their polling unit, but the lawyers of the respondents openly disagree. Led in evidence by the petitioner's lawyer Rotimi Ogunesan SAN, the 15 petitioners' witness PW15 Haruna Ibrahim, one 34-year-old businessman from Sabo Quarters, Auchi, adopt the statement when he writes before. Haruna talks say im be polling unit agent during the September 21, 2024 election, say the election go well but he noticed overvoting and he report the matter to INEC officials for the polling unit. When INEC lawyer Kanu Agabi SAN dey cross-examine am, he agree say he signed the result sheet for him ward, but he talk say na sake of say he wan get copy for him party. Agabi con talk say since he signed the result, e mean say the election dey credible, but Haruna no agree. Agabi come ask am if he write official complaints about the matter. Haruna con talk say he complain give the unit officer, in protest, but he no write am down. The lawyer for APC candidate Okpebholo wey be Oyenchi Ikpeazu SAN come ask PW15 again about the overvoting when he talk, as him show am the result sheet when he say he no show any overvoting. But PW15 no agree. He talk say for column 7 of the form, the total votes cast pass the recorded vote. A court of say he make official protest, but they no gree cancel the result. Chief Ferdinand Oshoke Obi SAN still question the figures wey PW15 they talk about, as him tell the witness make he recount the figures by himself. But Haruna talk say he no go gree, the figures not correct, and say make INEC official come check am, say he sabi the form, but the figures no match. The tribunal come accept the witness agent card as evidence, even as the respondent lawyers object to am. The 16th witness PW16 Okuo Taye Esther wey be 27-year-old farmer from Igara, Akoko Edo local government, also talk say overvoting happen for her polling unit. When INEC lawyer Agabi show her result sheet, he talk say her name and signature no dey the document, say that one mean say she no participate for the election. But PW16 no agree, as she talk say she dey there, she no sign the result sake of say she no agree with the figures as overvoting happen. Ikpeazu, the lawyer for Okpebholo, still show her the result sheet and talk say the figures dey correct, say the total valid votes na 228, but PW16 no agree, as she talk say the figures don't change. She con talk say the real number wey dem count na 229 votes, 228 valid votes and 1 rejected vote, but the document wey dem bring show 227 valid votes and 1 rejected vote wey make am 228 votes. The 17th witness PW17 Abubakar Uzaru wey be teacher from Owan East local government area still talk say overvoting happen when respondent lawyer tell am say APC win the 2024 election. He talk say nobody win the election. The 18th witness PW18 Asuluka Righteousness wey be Okada rider from N1 Akoko Edo local government area also talk say overvoting happen. When they ask am to confirm the result sheet, he talk say he no be the person wey make the document. The 19th witness PW19 Mutaru Yusuf wey be farmer from Agbede, Isako West local government, for his own testimony talk say he no go stand by paragraph 4 of his witness statement, but he still talk say overvoting happen. After the sitting, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, Honorable Patrick Aisoweri, and the APC legal advisor Stephen Okuro come yarn tori people how them see the proceedings.
Well, you don't comment on matters in court. I come to watch, to observe the proceedings, and I'm satisfied that the proceedings are going well. It is not for me to do any evaluation. That is the prerogative and the absolute responsibility of the tribunal. I cannot comment on it.
Are you hopeful that?
Okay, let's follow up the procedure so far. What you have seen so far from the PDP weaknesses, do you think your party stand a chance to retain this governorship?
Very well, because I can see some of the two of them they called, they were out of point. Let me put it that way, because you cannot say witness of PDP when you were not directly involved. You imagine somebody in Unit 9 will be testifying for Unit 20 or Unit 22. That one is not obtainable in law. Though I'm not a lawyer, but I know that if you want to, if you are a witness, you must be from that unit before you can stand as a witness in court. So what we are witnessing today, or what we have witnessed today, is just a jamboree. They are just here to come and play.
So you are saying that the petition is not worthy?
The petition is watery, very watery. I'm very confident that yes, at the end, APC will have their way. By special grace of God, what I've seen today is that we will have our way at the end of the day.
Away from the court matter, as a former lawmaker, you are in the forefront as a leader. The issues of local government is creating tensions in Edo State, and you will see even your local government were at the center of the whole scenario. What is the way forward now to settle that matter?
Well, I don't think we have any issue as far as I'm concerned in Edo State. The government is in the right direction, has done the right thing. What caused a lot of little problem before was just the government asked for income and expenditure, and the local government chairman refused to honor that invitation by bringing the income and expenditure. And they went on the House of Assembly, not even the governor, it was the Edo State House of Assembly. Two-thirds of Edo State House of Assembly suspended the local government chairman. So up to now, they are still serving the suspension. So I think after 2 months, we don't know from there what will happen next. But I'm sure there's no more problem. And you're also aware that the legislative arm of the local government proceeded in removing some of the local government chairmen. As I'm talking to you, and I think about 16 or 17 local government chairmen have been impeached by the councillors of their local government. So that one is no longer the fault of the State House of Assembly. What they saw the other time for removing them, for suspending them, it was also investigated by the legislative arm of the local government, and they also followed suit to see that the governor was right in telling them to submit their income and expenditure. So I believe that what the governor did, or the State House of Assembly, is in the right direction.
Well, today they have called 2 witnesses. That is PW 15, PW 14, 16. There are 2 witnesses that they have called me. And then the first one is from Okpebholo, from Isako West, police unit agent, who testified and said the election was properly conducted, but that it was overvoting. And now he relied so much on reverse machine, also relied on from EC8B, which is the word result. Now, when he was now confronted with the word result from EC8B, he said he didn't know anything about it. That he's saying he don't know about it, but he was usually acted as his unit agent. Now, when he was also confronted with the beavers machine, he said he doesn't know anything about beavers machine, that he cannot even operate it. When he was asked to own it, he said, I cannot own it because I was not trained on it. Similar answers were also given by the other witness, who also said, oh, I did not sign my EC8A because there was overvoting. She also relied on EC8B, which is the word result. And when he was confronted with it, she openly said, oh, I was not a word collation agent. And so when she was also confronted with the beavers machine, which she also relied on, she said, I'm just seeing it, I never relied on anyone, I don't rely on it. So there are evidences we are neither here nor there. It was just, they were having galloping evidences. And that is good for the respondents.
So how do you rate your the input of your counsel?
Sound. The respondent counsels did their homework. It showed that they read the petition in and out. They know the petition at the tip of their fingers. And so that was how they were able to ask questions. And questions that they were asking these petitioners' weaknesses were genuine, sound, and straight. And they fell on their cross-examinations.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From NJI Abuja, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.